Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to fix Discord slow mode not working. So to fix this issue, you can start by opening your Discord app and then swipe it up from the bottom of your screen and then swipe it up again to completely close it from your multitasking screen and then reopen it. Now the next what you can do is check permissions. Users with managed messages, managed channel, or managed threads permissions automatically bypass slow mode. Now Discord has consolidated this into a single bypass slow mode permission. Check if this is toggled on for your role in server settings. Now the next what you can do is verify mobile app settings. You can start by confirming activation. Make sure that slow mode is actually saved for that specific channel. Long press the channel name and then select edit channel and then check the slow mode cooldown slider. Remember, you must tap the save icon for changes to take effect. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video helped you. See you in my next one.